Hi, it's me again. Have you ever seen made someone making terrible sounds, like, I don't know, cracking their fingers or something? Yeah, well, this is what I'll be doing today. Making weird sounds without using my mouth. You can't believe what kind of funny voices we can make and things. Stuff that people get annoyed about, especially when I do this. This one is a classic now. See, nice cracking, and it doesn't stop. It just goes on, and the same with here. I can't help it. I don't know what to do about it. Or this one. This is what I discovered about a month ago. Watch this one. And it's the same with the other arm, except it goes a bit deeper. I don't know. It's really amazing. And it's the same with my spine, my neck, even my hips. Everything is just, I don't know, like I was made out of spare parts or something. I question myself, are these my real parents I'm with? I don't know. It's just so weird. Because they are, well, amazingly well preserved, and I already cracked on every inch of my body is cracking, or I don't know, something's wrong with it. Well, no, that's the only problem. This is the only problem. Really, there is no other problem. I'm making these fun noises, cracking and stuff. Yeah. The spine sounds very nice, but I can't show it because this stupid camera that can't trace so much of the voice. So, there you have it. Making voices like art. It's very simple. You just have to be, well, me. That's it. Have a nice day.